Hey, is this thing on? Hello everyone and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I think this is the third day of Vlogmas that you're seeing this. Today we're opening some advent calendars. I have two here. One is the Makeup Obsessed Showtime Beauty Box from Beauty Bay. I don't think this is as much of a traditional advent calendar, but I picked up this one from Target that is totally a traditional 12-day beauty advent calendar. I have not really looked at what's in these other than this one, so let's just go on and get right on into it. And if you're coming here from TikTok or Instagram, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Okay, so we are going to start with the Showtime Beauty Box. I have not, again, I kind of opened this just to peek at it. I have not really looked at this. It says, oh hey there, oh hey you. Okay, it looks like everything is not individually like wrapped in stuff, so I'm just gonna tear this puppy open and we're gonna go through what is inside it. So let me just start out with the first thing that's on the top here is the 12-piece eye brush set from Beauty Bay. I have not ordered anything from Beauty Bay before, so let's go ahead and try this. So like I said, this is a 12-piece eye brush set. This calendar did seem like the best like beauty gift set value that I had seen. So let's see, it's in this nice little wrapped thing. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it. Okay, so you have pretty much everything you could ever need brush-wise in here. The brushes feel really soft, so that's nice. Yeah, so that is the first item in here, is this nice little brush roll. I always need more eyeshadow brushes, so that's a great thing to have in this box. And I think this box was about $45 with shipping. I think it came closer to $50. Okay, next thing on here is a pair of lashes. Now, I don't usually wear lashes, so I probably will be passing these on. Eyelashes by Eyes Sample Beauty, and they're in the style Lash Out. Okay, next thing, I was most excited about this in here. This is the Nabla Ruby Lights palette. I have not tried anything, but this looked absolutely gorgeous on the website. So, let's see what it looks like and give them a swatch. Oh, I love the packaging. Oh my gosh, this is like the most gorgeous packaging. It's like clear. I've never seen anything like this. Wow. And those are glitters. Like when I say these are glittery, these are full on glitter. Nope, and they are kind of messy, so I won't be tipping them upright. But there they are. Oh my god, look at that. I may regret this. Yeah, you definitely want a glitter primer or to apply these to something very tacky. Okay, so that did come off the back of my hand and my finger almost all the way in one little swipe of the makeup wipe. There's a squirrel in the tree. Okay, next in here, I'm just gonna grab this. This is the Revolution Pressed Eyeshadow Palette Exposed. I haven't tried much from Makeup Revolution. Is Makeup Revolution and XX Revolution the same company? Because I think they are. Ooh, that was close. My mom always mentions when I open stuff on camera that I scare her. Ooh, that's pretty packaging too. It does feel a little less. The Nabla palette feels more expensive than this one, but this one looks nice and compact. Ooh, hoo, hoo, I love those colors. That's gonna make such a cute eyeshadow look. Okay, the next thing in here, oops, is this Brushworks Wonder Sponge Duo. This, I have not tried this brand before, but they look like decent sponges, so I will put these aside for when I need a new sponge. Okay, the next thing in here is a glitter lip gloss from Soda, I think that's what you call it, and Diamond Sugar. Ooh, that is Barbie pink. It's pulling a little bit more purple on camera, but in person this is like an iridescent pink glitter gloss. It smells like nail polish remover. That's kind of off-putting. Anyway, but I like the way it looks over the current gloss I'm wearing, so like this one. Okay, we are down to our last like 5 products. Next in here is the Ofra Rodeo Drive Highlighter. I love Ofra highlighters so much. This is one of my favorite brands of highlighter, so I will definitely be using this. This product is one of the products that added a lot of value to this box for me, because I know these Ofra highlighters can get really pricey, and I don't think I have ever gone through a full pan of highlighter, so this should last you a long time. And in this little sample you get 0.14 ounces, and it lasts 34 months. Next, Milani. You get a Milani blush in Sunset Passion. It is kind of just more of a orangey, burnt orangey, pinky kind of blush. It looks super pretty. I have not tried Milani blushes. I don't think I've ever tried Milani blushes actually. So I'm really excited to try this one out as well. And I will be testing these out more on my TikTok and my Instagram throughout the month of December, because I will be seeing this pretty early in the month. So I just wanted to let you know now that I will be trying out these products and sharing little mini reviews on my Instagram and TikTok. So make sure you're following me on all my other platforms so you don't miss me. Next, Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Waterproof Mascara. I don't wear waterproof mascaras almost ever, so I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of this. Okay, last 2 products I think kind of go together here. This is a Beauty Bay Matte Lip in the shade Juice, and MUA Makeup Academy lip liner in Diva. Let's open these up. So that's the packaging. It says lipstick all over it, as one, you know, would think, and that is the shade on the bottom. And it is a orangey red. I have more of like a blue red. I usually wear the MAC Ruby Woo because Taylor Swift wore it, so I wear it, you know. That's just how it works. This is a really pretty shade of red though. Great for the holidays, totally typical to put in a beauty box for the holidays. Okay, so here is the lip liner. It's kind of a darker burgundy. Let me just swatch this here because I wasn't sure. Yeah, this is more of the red I'm used to wearing, just kind of a darker color. Again, it looks very holiday-y, so this is also great for a holiday box. Okay, that is everything that was in the first box. It's still available, I'll link it down below. And you may or may not get it by Christmas by the time I'm posting this, because I bought this at the end of October and it didn't show up until like a week ago. So that's that. Stick everything back in this box and we will move on to the Target Beauty Box. Okay, so the Target Beauty Box was valued at $70. And Target mostly sells like drugstore products. So let's just pop right on into door number 1, which has a tiny little thing in here. That's interesting to have a huge door and a tiny little thing, but this is a Hero Lightning Wand Dark Spot Brightening Serum. I actually saw this on TikTok recently. This is I'm not sure, it doesn't really say anything about it. Let me read the back. Dark Spot Brightening Serum. It has glycolic acid, vitamin B3, niacinamide, licorice root extract, aloe. Great, so I will totally try this out. I do have some like acne spots on my neck, but this is just a tiny little sample you get in here of, oh, it's a little roller ball. That's cute. That's adorable. Doesn't really have a smell, so. Skincare, very typical in a Target box. Okay, number 2 is down here. Let me open this up more centered. Okay, and this is from, I can't see what I'm looking at. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer in Universal Glow. I absolutely love e.l.f.'s Putty Primer. This one does have shimmer in it, which isn't my favorite to go on the face, but I will totally give this a try and see how I like it, because I have the original and I have the acne primer as a backup right now, so curious to try the Luminous one out too. Okay, so far so good. One skincare product, one makeup product, and both are pretty popular, so that's great. Okay, moving on. Day number 3 is up here. Oh, awesome. I love these. These are the Vital Proteins. Oh, it's stuck in here. I hate when they do that. This is the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide little powder. I put these in my drinks occasionally. I don't drink hot drinks that much, but this is supposed to help with bone health, joint health, hair, skin, and nail support. And this is the unflavored kind. This is the kind I use. So I will definitely be using that. Moving on to number 4. It looks like it's going to be a sponge. And yep, it's the Real Techniques sponge, and it says new look. Is that a new look? I thought they always looked like that. Focus. I thought they always looked like that. Is that really new, or is that just something they're putting on there? Anyway, this is also another super popular product. Also, sorry if I seem a little low energy. I've already filmed one video today and my head hurts, so I may be a little lower energy. Okay, I have not looked at it. Okay, we have, a dry shampoo from Beauty. I've heard a lot about them. This is an overnight renew dry shampoo with a detox formula. Overnight. That's interesting. I've actually heard if you put, it says absorbs swimming, conditions scalp, works while you sleep, calming scent. Let's. Smells like lavender and vanilla. Anyway, so this is a overnight dry shampoo. A nice little travel size, perfect for traveling or just trying it out. Yeah. I totally scratched the lid with the scissors too. Okay, number 6 looks like it's going to be a pair of lashes. They aren't really, with the design of the box, they aren't really leaving anything to the imagination here. I'm also trying not to lose a fingernail every time I open a box lid, but I may lose a fingernail here too. Okay, these are Iconic Light Synthetic False Lashes. Let me dig these out of here. Reusable up to 15 times, lightweight. As I mentioned before, I'm not a huge lash wearer. Number 7 is right here next to it. We're almost halfway done with the box. Crazy. Okay, this is a Pixie product. This is a Pixie Glow Tonic. I have used this before. I liked it. I use these kinds of exfoliating tonics pretty often in my skincare routine just to help with acne and scarring and stuff. So another nice skincare product, kind of universal for all skin types too. Okay, number 8 is down here, looks like a mascara. Alright, we have the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in Very Black. This looks like a full size too, so that's nice. If you didn't know, I'm just gonna take a little breather here. I am an avid Target beauty shopper. I did the beauty boxes previously and the advent calendars a few years ago when I did Vlogmas, and they started to disappoint me and I stopped buying them as of like 2020. And I think now that Target's beauty section is kind of expanding, they've really upped their game on a lot of these beauty products. So I'm super impressed with this so far. Okay, moving on to number 9. I just had it. Where was it? There it is. Okay, this is the Thatcher's Facial Toner with Witch Hazel and Rose Petal. I use Witch Hazel after I get my eyebrows done, so this is also nice to have. I've heard mixed reviews about this kind of toner, whether or not Witch Hazel is good for you. That is up to you and your estheticians and your doctors, but I see no problem with it. My skin reacts fine. I have been trying to be a little bit more careful with skincare products recently, but overall this is a decent sized product. It's 3 ounces to be in this box. because normally the products you get are like, I mean, if you look at the size comparison to the Pixie is 0.5 ounces. Like this one's obviously, it seems more valuable than the tiny, tiny little Pixie one. Considering you use about the same amount of product when you apply them both. Number 10. We only have 3 more left and then we're done here. Okay. Number 10 is the Hero Mighty Patch Duo. I love, love, love these little blemish pad thingies. I have not tried the Hero ones, but this, you get 6 original for night and 6 invisible for day, which is great. You get 12 in here. That's perfect. We're almost done with this calendar. Isn't that crazy? Okay, and here is a Burt's Bees product, and this is a firming moisturizing cream renewal with natural retinol alternative. That's interesting. I've never heard of that. Dermatologist tested, not comedogenic. But this seems like something my mom would absolutely love, so I will definitely be passing this on to her. I might actually go stick this in her stocking right now. Last day, number 12. We're almost done. It is the, am I right? This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I used this for years in high school and a little bit through college before the Morphe one came out. I have no complaints about this setting spray. I am a fan of it. I recommend it to anyone who's just getting into makeup or needs a quick setting spray. So that was everything that was in the beauty box. Overall, I'd give it probably like an 8 out of 10. There are just a couple products that I'm not sure would be everyone's cup of tea, although it is a good variety of mix of makeup. I think you get 1, 2, 3, 4 makeup products. You got 4 makeup products in that one. 4 skincare or 5 skincare products and a hair care product and the collagen drink thing. So overall, you get a pretty 50-50 mix of like skincare and makeup, which is great because a lot of times the Target boxes and other beauty advent calendars are super skincare heavy, even though they call themselves beauty advent calendars. So that I feel like makes it a really good deal. Overall, I'm happy with it. I have use for a lot of this stuff. If not, they can be passed on to someone I know that will. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and give me a comment down below. Also follow me on my other social platforms that are linked down below, and I will see you in 2 days for the next Vlogmas video. Bye, you guys.